Hey everyone, thanks for dropping in my channel. So here are the items coming up that you're gonna need. Of course, the paper, the brush, the gloves, the spray bottles, your perm rods or rollers, maybe like 3 or 4 towels. Here you're going to go ahead and apply the shape cream, which is the cream in the jar, and just apply that throughout the whole head. Before you ask, I just wanted to let you guys know we started at 12, we ended at 5:30 to be precise. Be careful to only rinse out the cream. Do not use shampoo and conditioner. Only rinse out the cream. As you can see now, I'm installing the curling rods just so that we can get the curl pattern going, and you'll see what we do next. So stay tuned, keep watching, and hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now that that's complete, the hair has dried out. So I went ahead and took a water bottle with some spray or spray with some water in there, and just started moisturizing her hair again to hydrate it, because we're trying to achieve a curl pattern and we need her hair moisturized for that. And then the next step, I went ahead and poured that water out that bottle. Use the same bottle to add step 2 into the bottle, which is your transformer. And yeah, just go ahead and just use the same bottles, no big deal. And just stay tuned, keep watching. Here I used the blow dryer. Obviously we don't have a dryer to sit under. I used to have one, but I don't have it, but that's irrelevant. So what I did was use that blow dryer for 10 minutes, and I blow dried my mom's scalp, and I waited for a little bit. Just read the steps as I'm applying them. I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know. I did use a blow dryer for 10 minutes on, 10 minutes, and then about 30 minutes off, and another 10 minutes on. So as you can see, I'm taking the rods down. I'm totally liking the outcome. It was worth the wait, even though it was about 5 hours. And yeah, it was pretty good. It was a nice experience. Actually, it was my first time doing it, so I'm gonna say I'm proud of myself.